Samsung is going to fix the issues with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing good. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra were facing some weird issues with its display. When you set your device to WQHD and Natural Mode, you will get a horizontal line in the display. Samsung acknowledged this issue for their users. The number of people facing this issue and posting online about it, and this issue is only happening with the Exynos 2200 powered Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So we all know this is a software issue, and I already talked in my previous video. A statement from Samsung's official forum moderator about this issue, what you need to do and what they are doing. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, did you get this issue on your Galaxy S22 Ultra? Samsung's mentioned that they are aware of this issue, which appears in the lock screen and YouTube videos. According to the moderator, we are aware of a limited number of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra devices experiencing a pixelated line in the display when customer plays YouTube or unlocks phone. The issue may occur rarely when users set the device resolution to WQHD and screen mode to Natural Mode. We are already working to develop a patch for the Galaxy S22 Ultra and will receive a software update to address this issue. Until then, you need to set the device resolution to Full HD Plus and also update your device to the latest software. If you are missing out with the SD card slot in the Galaxy S22 Ultra, then no worries. Samsung recently launched new USB Type-C flash drives that are available in 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB, featuring Samsung's own NAND flash chips. The company is promising up to 400MB sequential read speed with its new flash drives. That's quickly enough to swiftly transfer hundreds of images or 4K or 8K video files within a matter of seconds. Samsung hasn't announced a price for its new USB Type-C flash drives yet. We expect them to go on sale soon. Samsung also offering a 5 years of warranty on these storage devices. After the launch of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, Russian luxury brand Caviar made some special edition, where the series includes 6 different designs including 24K gold, lightweight titanium, and carbon fiber. They are only making 99 special edition mobile. While talking about the price, it is starting from $6,000 up to $7,680. The sales will begin on 11th of March. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, did you get this issue with your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.